Today we're going to come and choose a Christmas tree and also give you some hints and tips how to care for your Christmas tree during Christmas. So once you've found a tree that you like, give it a lift. See how heavy it is. If it's heavy, it's going to have lots of moisture inside since it's been cut. And also give it a stamp. I can see if there's any needles falling off. That's looking good. So when you've chosen your tree, it's a good idea to just take off 1 inch of the base, because all the sap would have settled at the bottom and you want a nice new cut for it to absorb all that nice fresh water. So cut off the first inch of the base, and that's going to nicely suck up all the lovely water that you'll be giving it. So if you're using one of these Christmas stands, once you place your Christmas tree in the stand, fill it up full, and then 24 hours come back and refill it, as the tree would have drank up all the nice water and give it a nice good drink. So keep it topped up when it runs down. So you can also buy a Christmas tree with roots. So this could be potted on, and you could use this year after year. Let it grow on, and then you've got many uses. Pot it up in a bigger pot, and then we can use it again for another year. So once you've got your tree home, then keep it away from any direct heat, such as an open fire or radiators, and that will give you the longest possible display of fresh scented needles. Give it plenty of space so it can circulate. And have a good Christmas. Once your tree has been done after Christmas, check out this video here, and it will show you how to recycle your Christmas tree. Happy Christmas.